Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm your Google Ads account is active and billing is set, and link Google Analytics or GA4 for better data. Next, pick a campaign objective, leads, sales, traffic, or brand awareness, because that determines bidding. Once done, choose locations and languages, select campaign type, search, display, or performance max, and set a realistic daily budget. Make sure to enable conversion tracking now, so every click maps to real results later. Now you construct the campaign. Form tight ad groups around single themes, and add 5 to 15 keywords with varied match types to control reach. Then craft responsive search ads, mix 3 strong headlines and 2 descriptions that include a clear call to action and 1 main keyword. Once your creatives are ready, choose bidding. Maximize conversions or target CPA for automation, or manual CPC if you want direct control. Also, set audiences and exclusions to refine who sees your ads. You launch with a modest budget and begin monitoring metrics daily, focusing on conversions, CTR, and cost per conversion over 7 to 14 days. Once patterns emerge, adjust bids, swap underperforming assets, and pause keywords with low intent while adding negative keywords to cut waste. Make sure landing pages match ad intent and load fast. If you get no conversions, check conversion tags and attribution settings. Ensure the correct conversion actions are active, and test the landing page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.